When heading to a movie in Estevan, many don't think about the technical aspect of it, and with the Orpheum Theatre heading into its 100th milestone, owners Alan and Jocelyn Dougherty thought it was time to bring a new market into the theatre using a 3D projector. Alan explains how the old system worked and how the new one will be much better for the audience.
There used to be two projectors here. The other projector looked the exact same as this one that's sat here. What happened is we played the film. Here's the film right here. Is a reel. So this is what was on the other projector. It's a reel of film. So anyways, it comes in reels like this. So we put all the reels together, put it on the projector, and it played the first half of the movie here. The second half, then it would automatically switch to the second projector, and you watch half the movie then on the other projector. So what we've done now is we left the one projector in here because we play art films once a month for the Art Council, so a lot of them are in film. Unfortunately, we're going to have about a 2 or 3 minute break because we have to change reels because we have one projector. Of course, sound system over here is being upgraded to work the new digital 3D system. This is the device that creates the 3D. Basically what it is, it's a wheel that's spinning in there and giving the optical illusion on your eye, and the glasses being on will create the 3D image. So what happens is this piece gets lowered when we're playing a digital print and there's no more 3D. You can take this up down and we just show the normal film. And basically when it's 3D, this thing comes up, we turn it on, and it spins at a high speed, and this creates the 3D. This here is Doug, he's with Cinematronics, he's from Vancouver. What happens is we get now sent to us in a box, instead of the film like we showed earlier, we get this device here as a hard drive. The hard drive is shipped to us, and we put the hard drive in here and we download the information into the processor. So basically Doug can explain a little bit of here what happens, or make it turn it on. I guess we haven't got to that, we're still in the test mode, so we haven't really turned the system on. It's all automated. Of course, what will happen before, we used to turn the lights on and off in the theater, the system does it automation. So when the movie starts, the system dims, and when the movie's over, it comes back up again. It's also lots of other bells and whistles in it, things we probably won't use. If there happens to be a fire, it's hooked to the fire system, it can shut the projector down so there's no damage to the electrical. It's touch screen on here then, and so this is now the 3D wheel that's turning in the front. You don't get a bad print, it's scratched up, and it's always a clear picture. But new technology is not always the best, because believe it or not, if we had a brand new print in the 35mm, the quality of the picture, if the camera and everything is up to snuff, we would have a better picture than what you have here. But the naked eye wouldn't notice that. So right now, of course, this is better because a lot of the prints you get from other theaters or their old prints, they could have scratches on it. So basically it's a clean picture every time on the new system with no scratches. Machine shuts down automatically too when it's over, where this is going to wait till the trailer's all finished, right? 15 minutes later before I go home, and staff goes home, so it'll shut down automatically. Eventually what's happening is, I guess, is one of the theories, and they're looking at everybody's the 3D TV sets or what the market is, but it really isn't there yet because they have to do a video, and what it is, the broadcasters broadcasting. And what they're talking then on Monday nights is usually a slow night in the industry of the movies, and of course they're trying to make deals with the broadcasters and broadcast that Monday Night Football or NASCAR to the theaters on 3D. Okay, before eventually it will come to your TV sets, but that's still a ways down the road. So they're hoping to start marketing it into the movie theaters first. And of course, whatever happens, like James Cameron says, whatever the TV sets do, we do it better here. So it's go big or go home. Anyways, of course the sound system is a bit of improvements on that, but that's technology down the road. Is of course it's 5.1, and things have changed again in the industry. It's a 7.1 sound system, but we don't have to do that right now because we have a 400-seater in here. We have enough sound in here for just about a 1,000-seater when we crank it up. So it's double the capacity. So
the theater will hit its 100 milestone in 2014. For the EstevanMercury.ca, I'm Janelle Butler.